You, as a parent, as an ambassador of AI, what are 3 things that you're telling your kids now to be ready for the next 3 years?
To be honest, it's this.
So do you have any worries about this, about AI and what it can do?
I'm one of the few people that were given a surfboard on this wave. You know what I mean? Like I feel safe in navigating it for myself, and I'm just like along for the ride. But 100% I'm nervous about what my kids need to learn. And I try and throw them a little hint, and they're like, Dad, whatever. Like, yes, we know you do AI. It's not that big a deal. And I'm like, no, you don't get it. Like, I'm trying to help you out, but I get they need to go through their own process. Because to be 100%, I cannot make an assumption and a good estimation of what the workplace is going to look like when my 9-year-old is 29. I have no idea what it's going to look. 20 years from now,
the world.
Forget it. Right. It's going to be like, I can tell you what's going to happen 3 years from now, 5 years from now.
Right.
But at the pace of this, 20 years from now is going to be a whole different world.
You, as a parent, as an ambassador of AI, what are 3 things that you're telling your kids now to be ready for the next 3 years?
To be honest, it's this. It's like what I learned my golden ticket was, oh my God, I know how to communicate because I was an MC, because I was an educator. I know how to communicate things to the machine, especially as things are moving towards, I didn't use this word yet, natural language processing, which means that you don't need to code into these machines. You can use your natural language, any language, to communicate to these machines. So now that communication skills are now and are going to be at a premium, where a lot of people negated their communication skills and they're like, oh, I need to learn how to code. I speak to coders all the time and they're like, what do I tell the machine? I'm like, just talk to the machine. And they're like, what do I write? And I'm like, what do you feel? Like, what do you want it to do? And they explain it to me. I'm like, all right, stop. Explain what you just explained to me to the machine. That's how you communicate. And what I reinforce to educators, so my own kids, before where I was like, oh, they don't need speech pathology class. They don't need like help with their public speaking. They do now. Like they need to know how to communicate things because soon they're going to get to a point where their computer is just a headset. It's going to be a screen and you're going to have to articulate what you want created because that's what I do now.